I want to show you this bucket and this pattern that's building in the surface scum, and why I'm sharing this is for Bob of the Martin Fleishmann Memorial Project, and we were talking about he was doing an analysis of a piece of brass that was in a reactor that had some rather curious patterns eroded into it, I guess you'd say, by some sort of plasma type event. And yeah, the pattern was sort of somewhat familiar, and it had been compared to dielectric powders in fluid and magnetic powders in fluid that sort of self-assemble. And so I guess that's what's happening here. There's some sort of self-assembling going on. I'd like to lift that cell out and show you it, but I'll just leave a link in the description. I've got a sneaking suspicion that touching the centre post, which is a positive charge of around about 50 volts, it's not conducive to health to touch it. So yeah, hope that pattern shows well. I've turned the HDR off, and I've shot this a few times now, and I think with the sun behind the clouds, it's giving me a much better look at that pattern. Thanks for watching.